Financial education, the 4 rules of being financially literate. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a special topic that's crucial for everyone: financial education. This is all about having the skills and knowledge to make wise decisions with your money. Also known as financial literacy, it's a must-have for progress and success in life. Whether you're aiming for financial freedom or just want to be independent of relying on a job you dislike, financial literacy is your ticket. But there's more. Let's talk about financial confidence, which is slightly different from financial freedom. While freedom relates to the amount of money you have, confidence is about your ability to generate money. Now, a common misconception is that there's a shortage of money out there, but that's far from the truth. The reality is that money is abundant, but only those equipped with the right skills and knowledge can tap into it. Money is like a game with its own set of rules. Play it right, and you're set to master your financial life. In this video, I'm going to share the 4 most crucial rules of money. These are the basics of being financially free, confident, and literate. These rules will elevate your financial game to a whole new level if you're eager and dedicated to learning. And guess what? All this information is absolutely free. I don't sell books, webinars, or courses. All our knowledge here is for you to absorb without any cost. So, if you appreciate this, hit that like button and subscribe right now. It's amazing how much information is available today, often for free or at a minimal cost, and all just a few clicks away on the internet. Yet, despite this accessibility, over 90% of people are still financially uninformed. Let's look at an example. Meet Peter. He just got his paycheck, and after taxes, he's left with $1,700. But instead of investing or saving, he blows it on barbecues and other non-essential stuff. Don't be like Peter. The good news is, if people like him can change a few bad habits and adopt a rich mindset, becoming wealthy is within reach for almost anyone. It's rare to find wealthy individuals who are financially uninformed, except those who stumbled upon a huge inheritance or won the lottery. But even then, statistics show that 70% of lottery winners go bankrupt within a few years. Why? Lack of financial education. If you want to stay rich long-term, you need to be financially savvy. Unfortunately, this kind of education isn't taught in schools, so it's up to you to seek it out. With all the information easily accessible, why don't more people learn about finance? There are 2 main reasons. First, conventional wisdom often steers people wrong. Growing up, you might have heard phrases like, "money doesn't grow on trees," or "money is the root of all evil." These sayings cultivate a scarcity mindset and stop people from taking steps toward financial prosperity. Another commonly held but wrong belief is the negative view of debt. Yes, debt can be dangerous, but it's also a powerful tool if used wisely. The second reason is the comfort zone and self-esteem issue. To make money, you need confidence and a strong self-image. You must believe you deserve to be healthier and happier. If you don't, you'll never get there. Think of it as a self-fulfilling prophecy. You have to envision yourself as wealthy and act the part. This mindset will drive you to take risks and step out of your comfort zone, which is crucial for success. Remember, confidence gives you the strength to take risks and perform under pressure. Now let's dive into the 4 most important rules for financial education. Rule number 1. Don't invest in what you don't understand. This is crucial. You'll never get rich by working for someone else. You need to start investing. But before you do, invest in yourself. Your brain is your money-making machine, and you need to fuel it with knowledge. This includes staying updated on industry trends and financial education. Then there's investing in your business, real estate, and stocks. But remember, never put your money into something you don't fully understand. Do your research or consult professionals. Rule number 2. Debt is actually a powerful tool that can work in your favor if understood and used wisely. It's crucial to distinguish between 2 types of debt: good debt and bad debt. Bad debt is like a financial trap. Think of student loans, for instance. They can become a huge burden, weighing down your finances for years and hindering your ability to save or invest. These debts typically have high interest rates and don't contribute to increasing your financial worth. On the flip side, There's good debt, the kind that can serve as a stepping stone to wealth creation. Imagine taking out a loan to start your own business. This kind of debt is an investment in your future. It holds the potential to generate income far exceeding the initial borrowed amount. Good debt can also include things like mortgages for properties that increase in value over time, or loans for education that lead to higher earning potential. The key is in how you manage this debt. Properly handled, good debt can be a catalyst, accelerating your journey to financial success. In essence, good debt opens doors to opportunities and growth, whereas bad debt can close them. It's all about making informed choices and understanding the long-term implications of the debts you take on. With careful planning and strategic decision-making, debt can be transformed from a feared adversary into a valuable ally on your path to financial prosperity. Rule number 3. Think rich. It's a mindset, a way of approaching life with a vision of abundance rather than scarcity. Sure, living below your means is a smart strategy, but it's not just about hoarding every penny. It's more about growing your financial pie. Focus on enhancing your skills, the ones that can really boost your earning power. Whether it's learning about digital marketing, mastering a new software, or understanding investment strategies, every new skill you acquire can open doors to higher income streams. Visualizing yourself as wealthy and confident isn't just daydreaming. It's about setting your mind on a path to success. When you see yourself as successful, you start acting like it. This mindset shift is powerful. It makes you more alert to opportunities around you. You start recognizing chances to make money that you might have overlooked before. It's about adopting a proactive approach to your finances, seeking out ways to multiply your income, rather than just cutting back on expenses. Adopting a think rich mindset also means surrounding yourself with inspiration and learning from those who've already achieved financial success. It's about understanding that wealth is not just about what you save, but also what you earn and how you grow it. This way of thinking encourages you to take calculated risks, invest in yourself, and continuously seek ways to improve both personally and professionally. When you start thinking rich, you're not just waiting for opportunities, you're creating them. Rule number 4. Develop skills to acquire assets. Remember, your biggest asset is your brain, a powerful tool that can open endless opportunities when properly cultivated. Investing in developing high-income skills is crucial for bringing value to the market and boosting your financial growth. These skills aren't just limited to one field. They span a wide range of areas such as digital marketing, financial planning, coding, project management, or even foreign language proficiency. By mastering skills that are in high demand, you position yourself to acquire valuable assets that generate a steady income. These high-income skills are more than just professional qualifications. They're the keys to unlocking financial potential and securing your future. They enable you to identify and seize opportunities that can transform your financial landscape. For example, being skilled in digital marketing might lead you to create a successful online business, while expertise in financial planning could open doors to lucrative consulting opportunities. Each skill you develop adds a new dimension to your ability to generate wealth. Moreover, these skills empower you to be more adaptable in a rapidly changing economic environment. They provide you with the versatility to navigate through various market conditions and remain financially robust. As you invest time and resources in growing these skills, you're not just enhancing your resume. You're building a foundation for long-term financial stability and success. Remember, the journey to financial literacy starts with you. Invest time in learning, be open to taking risks, and always think like the wealthy. With these rules in hand, you're on your way to financial success. I hope you found value in today's video. If so, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.